Hey, Tiny Dream Team, how's everybody doing? We're at Phoenix Building Solutions in Greenville, Alabama, and we're going to show you around a Vista floor plan. This one, if you've seen a Vista before, you haven't seen these color options and all these things, so we figured we'd show you around. Welcome to the 10 by 9 living room. Tammy's walking through the 36-inch entry door. As she shows you around, I'm going to tell you what she's looking at. She's showing you the big old windows. We got a couple of 3 by 5 windows on either side of the 10-foot by 9-foot living space. We have a long window, I guess it's a 2 by, maybe 2. Yeah, 2 foot by 5 foot window on the front. Flanking the electronic fireplace, and up above you have your Della head unit for your mini split. And we have a large wall here. I measured it earlier. You could get a 60-inch diagonal TV on this wall if you chose to do that. You got to watch Mr. Chubby somehow. Why not watch him in the big screen? Nah, watching one of them little tiny TVs, it looks smaller. I'm trying to lose some weight, folks. I don't want to be Mr. Chubby no more. I want to be Mr. Thinny, Mr. Tiny. I don't want to be Mr. Tiny. Well, I do want to be Mr. Tiny. Well, anyway, let's go on to the house. You've got nice counter space here. You could actually eat here. This is not a hangover bar, but you could set a couple stools there and eat if you'd like. Your knees will just bang up against the panel, but it'll be all right.
Look at the detail also. It's really pretty on this bar space.
We've got a Forthright countertop. Now we are missing a cabinet here. I think the manufacturer sent them the wrong size or it was damaged or something, but we're gonna get a new cabinet put up here. The folks at PBS are gonna be replacing that cabinet. But I measured this before. I remember measuring one of these before. It's 62 inches long. And of course your standard countertop of 26 inches. This is a butcher block style Formica countertop. You've got farm sink, you've got a full-size dishwasher, you've got a not so lazy Susan here. You got the nice door that opens like this so you can reach all the way in and store your pots and pans. Right there to Tammy's left, we have an eating space if you want to use it like that, or if you don't want to set couple bar stools here and eat. If you'd rather have a little small table where she's at, you could use this space as a workspace for your laptop. This is 49 inches wide. Or you could just make a coffee bar out of this. You've got some open shelving here. In here in the kitchen, we have plenty of cabinets. We got 3 drawers. These are full wood cabinets, soft close. You got the quiet closed doors. You've got your microwave over your range. And this again is a standard 30-inch range.
Near Whirlpool.
Whirlpool units, matching everything. Another drawer, another cabinet, and lots of wall cabinets.
Can you mention the little dent, because that was important to them?
Yeah, we don't want to talk about this refrigerator. This refrigerator is actually going to be replaced.
Right.
There's a little scratch here on it, so they're getting rid of it.
He doesn't do scratch and dent.
Yeah, we don't do scratch and dent at PBS. Here is a 6.5-inch deep. You could use this as a pantry, which I guess is really what it's intended for. I think one of the other units we looked at had a more narrow pantry here, but this one, these are fixed shelves. You're not going to move these, but they're solid. And I could hang on that shelf if I wanted to. But you've got 6 shelves, 33 wide, I believe. Yep, 33.5 wide. Plenty of room to store. Tammy said earlier, it'd be great to put little open mason jars with spices or flour, sugar, Splenda, whatever you use, stevia. What's all those sweeteners? Anyway. Well, we got a nice lofted ceiling in this unit with a beam that runs down the middle that's contrasted with the natural wood look. Really beautiful. And as Tammy pans around, I'm gonna show you to my right and to her left is the bathroom. We have a 48-inch stand-up shower with a sliding door. It has a seat. We have a standard toilet. We have a light over the shower and a light over the vanity. The vanity cabinets match the kitchen cabinets, as does the countertop. You've got a ceramic sink. You've got a nice extra window there. And this flooring is laminate. And don't forget, guys, I know you have questions about construction. We did a video when
That's actually vinyl sheet.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I said laminate.
Sheet vinyl.
Sheet vinyl. I'm sorry. But we did a video when we first came to Phoenix, and I'll link it up here somewhere. It's a question and answer video. If you have questions about their philosophy, their construction methods, we had a question and answer with them. So we sat down with them and had a nice long talk. So I'll link that video up here somewhere and you guys can watch it. This is where your stackable washer and dryer go. We have 29.25 inch clearance here, so you could space out whatever size unit you need. And then we come on back to the primary bedroom. The only bedroom. This house doesn't have a loft, so this is where you're gonna sleep, unless you get a sleeper sofa and wanna sleep there. It's set up and intended with this transom light here and receptacle on either side. This is where the head of your bed would be. It'll go across this way. You got a nice 3x5 window over there. Let's measure this bedroom. I don't have my electronic tape measure, so I'm sorry for that, but we were using it during remodeling and it got put away with our other tools and I failed to bring it. But this bedroom is 8 foot 3 inches by about 10 foot 3 inches, I want to say, and has the barn style door. It has your 100 amp breaker box, and I just learned today that you see some of these park models with 200 amp breaker panels. And those aren't to ANSI code. Actually, ANSI code requires 150 amp or less. So just be aware of that if you're buying a RV park model, that the ANSI code is 150 or less. Now, as we go back here, this has been...
Oh, maybe it's not secured for transport.
Secured for transport? No. But
Not
here we
yet.
have 2 sliding doors for your closet. And
Nice.
you see how that seals up. This home, as you noticed on the outside with the tour outside, this is the one that has the little tip out on the back. So
Now, it wouldn't normally slide back like that, but we're not on a level surface right now.
Right.
Oh, they do have it secured for transport right there. They just haven't.
No, I just missed the channel.
Oh, did you? Okay, never mind.
But I'm going to measure the closet really quickly. The closet is about 20 inches deep. By about 60 wide, 59 wide. It's not quite as deep as I like. I like to see them 24 inches, but that's just me. Gives you plenty of room when you put your hanger on there so your clothes don't bang into your door or anything. But this is the Vista. This is RV Park Model by Phoenix Building Solutions. We'll try to put a floor plan somewhere in the video if we can. If we can't, I'll just link it in the description. I'll link their website. I'll link Ryan's information in the description. Maybe put his phone number up here on the screen so you guys can call him for pricing.
They make it very affordable, so it's
They're
worth
very
the call.
affordable. It's worth the call. I don't give prices at Phoenix because Phoenix has so many options, so many opportunities for upgrades, downgrades, whatever you would like. And they're trying to build a dealer network throughout the United States. So what they're trying to do is work out prices with dealers. So I hope you understand that's why they don't give out a lot of prices, is because they're trying to, dealers have to have a markup for buying a home and reselling and servicing and setting up and doing all that. So if Phoenix goes and gives you a price and then the dealer sees my video, then that could cause some hassle with the dealer trying to resell it and do the servicing on it, because a dealer is gonna set that home up for you. Now, if you buy from Phoenix, they're gonna help you with all that. But if you buy from a dealer that's located somewhere else in the United States, that dealer is gonna set that home up for you. They're gonna service, they're gonna give you the warranty, they're gonna do all that. So they have to have their margin in there. So if Phoenix just goes and throws a price, and then a dealer comes along there and say, well, you already gave the prices out and now I'm marking it up this much, nobody's gonna buy it from me. So it hurts business like that. So that's why we don't give out prices. Just wanna let you guys know that. But you can always call Ryan. He can talk to you. He'll give you numbers. It is not a problem. We're not hiding anything. They're not trying to mess around with pricing or be fishy or anything like that. It's just that they're trying to build their business. They're a relatively new company. But anyway, we hope you've liked this tour of this Vista. We want you to like, share, and if you like this type of content, subscribe. And don't forget to share to your friends, I just said that. And ring that notification bell so every time we post tiny home tours, you guys will get notified. All right? Now, stick around. We got other videos. You can go back and watch all the Phoenix videos. We'll put some here at the end when Tammy plays the beautiful music and all that. But I hope you've enjoyed it. We pray for you guys. We're getting close to 10,000 subscribers. So share, 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 and get people to pile on. Because guess what happens when we get to 10,000? We get a letter. That's all we get. We get a letter, though. We get a letter from Google that says, congratulations. And when we get to 10,000, that means we're going to have another giveaway party. We're going to give away, and give back to you guys that watch us all the time and enjoy our content. Give you guys some prizes. Have a good time on a live event, and it's just going to be great, going to be fabulous. We hope you guys will join us, and we thank you for watching. Have a good evening. We're going to go on and find another tiny home to film. You guys take it easy. Take the short way home.